Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today you're watching the giveaway winner receiving his free logo. So you've probably seen by the title, I'm making a logo for a subscriber. About 6 videos ago, that's a complete guess. If it's actually 6 videos ago, someone needs to send me like 50 quid on PayPal. But around 6 videos ago, I made a video announcing a giveaway where you guys had to submit artwork into my Discord and the winner gets his own logo. Now this is what the guy asked for. He liked this kind of basketball logo and said he was trying to turn it into his own logo but was struggling to do so. It was actually quite a hard project because the way that the text at the bottom kind of warps but stays perfectly in line at the top, and finding a font that worked and then revamping the colour to make it like modern. It was actually not the easiest logo to make, but I've got it done. I was really impressed with the outcome, so I wanted to make this whole video sharing with you guys how I created it. I also promised in the video that I would shout the guy out. Now I'm making this video before I know what to shout out, so what I'm going to ask you guys to do is go into the pinned comment and his information will be there, whatever social link he wants to plug. Go check him out, go give him some love, because obviously in the next giveaway, if you win, you're going to want the same treatment. And I'm definitely going to be doing another giveaway very soon, guys, so you want to join the Discord, be on my Instagram because I always post updates on my stories and stuff. All of that. Anyway guys, thank you so much for the love and support recently. I've been trying to be a lot more consistent on my channel. I notice a lot better growth when I'm consistent, but sometimes it's quite hard to stay consistent whilst managing my clients and whilst managing other shit that I'm trying to achieve in my life basically. I make very little money off of YouTube these days, so I also have to run things like my shop where I sell clothes and stuff like that, and my private design work and all of that. But regardless, I appreciate all of you. Anyway guys, I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this speed art. There's going to be some more content soon in the form of tutorials, giveaways, speed arts, all of that. I'm going to come back and start trying to do overlays and thumbnails and templates and stuff, because I mean, I personally don't really like doing them, but as a designer it really helps the channel, and I know all of you guys need that kind of stuff, so you're going to start seeing some of that back on the channel. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. You can just watch me working on this video in Photoshop. I literally used a text tool, and then using the pen tool and kind of warping the letters, I managed to get the curve to work, and then I remade the basketball, changed all the colours. This is the finished outcome. Have a great rest of your day or night, whatever it is, and that's it from me. Peace out, boys and girls.
Earned our stripes, we gon' blow. If a nigga play foul, you would think we had a whistle. Look, capital I-G-O-A-T, yeah, that's that gas initials. Happiness and depression, I'm stuck inside the middle.